Conceived as part of Haier's apartment-dwelling appliance lineup, this mid-range washer-dryer combo features a slim profile to fit even in the smallest of rooms. However, don't let the slim profile deceive you. Like most front-load washers within its price range, this combo comes with a maximum laundry capacity of 8 pounds and a wide variety of wash settings, including a soaking cycle, delay wash, quick wash, and a perm press cycle. You can also choose between different dryer cycles that include auto dry, timed dry, and heatless dry, depending on the type of material. With all these different features at your disposal, you're able to refine the wash and dry cycles. On top of its intelligent engineering, the Haier washer-dryer combo is one of the most energy-efficient appliances on our list. Part of this is due to its automatic load sense, which determines the necessary amount of water for each wash cycle in relation to its size. Over time, this feature will help you save a lot of water and money. To sum up, the Haier 2 cubic foot ventless washer-dryer combo is a mid-range unit that gives you the best bang for your buck. It's simple to operate, effective at removing stains, and is gentle on all types of clothing.